Hello everyone, I'm Emily from Winning International Inc. Today we're gonna go through Snapchat Pixel. We're gonna add it to Shopify Store. So before you start, you need to go to forbusiness.snapchat.com, and if you already have an account, you can log in here, or you can get started and make an account here. So it's going to tell you to create your business account. So I'm going to okay, now we're in the business account. So you can create ads here but before you make ads, you have to add Pixel to your website first to track all the visitors and track all the events happens in your website. So you're going to go to the Snap Pixel. If you drop down menu over here, and there's a lot of stuff, but you have to go to Snap Pixel and then set up my Snap Pixel. And this little window will come up with the code. So you have to find head tags in your Shopify backend. So first go to Shopify Store and then Online Store. Click Online Store and Theme and Action. You can edit code. So what you need to do is theme.liquid file. Don't go to the header liquid file. You have to find head tag like right here. So copy this code and then paste and click Save. So if it's successfully added to your store, this page should look different. So I think it will take some time. So when the Snap Pixel is successfully added to your Shopify store, your pixel should look like this right here. It should track all the information and every event happens on your Shopify store. So this is it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Please comment below if you have any question about adding Snap Pixel to your Shopify store. We'll gladly answer your questions. Thank you for watching.